To qualitative data management and analysis using Nvivo software. Our trainer will be Professor Rasak Mohammed Adisa from Department of Communication, Ilorin University, Nigeria. So now I want to take you through what you call the course description and what exactly are we going to learn. Qualitative data management and analysis using Nvivo software. So you are going to master how to be able to collect and analyze interviews and focus group discussion data analysis through hands-on Nvivo training led by our top communication experts. So now, let's move. Who is this particular training for? Now, this training is for postgraduates and undergraduate students. These training are for those who are working in social sciences, like the people who are working in the NGOs, health, communication, and education researchers. This particular training is meant for you. You'll realize that, especially in the data collection for the NGO, you can hardly be able to be expected to do any consultancy work without involving the concept of Nvivo or qualitative analysis component. The NGO and the M&E professionals, research consultants and analysis, anyone conducting interviews and focus group discussions is expected to learn this particular skill. So let's move now to the next. So course description. This practical hands-on course equips researchers, students, and professionals with the tools to manage and analyze qualitative data using Nvivo software. Then, from importing transcript to coding to generating insight, this course will provide you with everything you need to make sense of complex qualitative data. Whether you are analyzing in-depth interviews, whether you are analyzing focus group discussions or program reports, you will walk away confidently in the ability to apply Nvivo for world research. And your journey in the qualitative research world has just begun by enrolling to this particular program. So now, what you will learn. These are some of the things that you learn in this particular training course. Number one, importing and managing data from interviews and focus group discussions, from PDFs, audio, and videos. Now, you are going to learn coding, how to be able to code qualitative data using nodes and thematic structures. You are going to learn and analyze interview data with deep insights. You are going to learn conduct meaningful analysis for focus group discussion. You will use queries to extract patterns and trends. You are going to create visuals, especially charts, cluster maps, word clouds maps, project maps, and etc., to be able to interconnect the key findings in your study. You are going to learn how to generate reports and export analysis results for the presentation and publication purposes. So those are key areas that you should learn in this particular training. Next, course outline or modules. In module 1, we are going to start off with introduction to qualitative research and Nvivo, the principles of qualitative research, the relevance of the Nvivo software, setting expectation for this particular course. Particularly, you are going to learn about the research designs which are applicable in qualitative study. So, module 2. Getting started with what you call the software itself. You will be able to install, set up, and for those people who already have the software itself, you will be able now to learn about the interface of Nvivo software so that you can know how to navigate the software, how to be able to assess, import, and analyze your data, project creation, and interface overview. All this is going to be learned in our module 2. So let's move to module 3. So module 3 is a look at importing and organizing data, importing text, importing audio, video, and then the PDFs files. You're also going to learn about structuring your project with cases and classifications. You're going to learn preparing interviews and FGD transcripts. That's also one of the things that you shall be learning in this particular training course. So module 4. So in module 4, we are going to learn coding and theme development. both the manual system of doing what you call the analysis, and then the automatic system of doing analysis using this software called Nvivo. Creating and managing nodes, themes, and sub-themes, using memos and annotations effectively in the process of doing our coding. So let's move to model 5, the interview data analysis, coding and analysis interviews transcript, identifying individual patterns and themes, and then using matrix queries for interpretations of what we have gotten. So model 6 will be analysis of focus group discussion. Particular interest will be placed on preparing FGDs, transcript for analysis, coding group interactions and participants' contribution, and then comparing multiple FGDs for the themes and developments. And then now in module 7, queries and data visualization, word frequency and text searches queries, matrix coding and comparison, creating visuals, word class themes. And then we are going to have an extra model which will be incorporated with this particular model, which is also called the AI. How can we be able to integrate AI with the Nvivo system? The professor will be able to take us through that particular emerging trends in the current analysis, which is incorporation of AI into the Nvivo software. Then the report generation, exporting coded data and visuals, generating reports for academic and professional use, and then presentation of the key findings. So that's exactly what the models are going to cover. Then at least you'll also be exposed to the concept of being given work that you're going to do end to end, and you provide your report to the professor. So otherwise, thank you so much, and enroll for this particular Nvivo software. When you combine both the qualitative and quantitative aspect of research, then you have learned into the world of being able to apply a mixed method approach very effectively well, which is very key at higher advanced level learning. So thank you so much. At the end of this particular training, you'll be expected to be issued with certification on the same. So thank you so much. And what are you waiting for? Enroll for this particular training course and take control of your qualitative research journey, and join Dr. Rasak Mohammed Adisa and hundreds of students and professionals. You will also create a link of sharing your experiences through the network that you're going to create by joining this particular training. Otherwise, thank you so much and welcome.